If your knife is getting a little bit dull and you want to reestablish the razor sharp edge that you had when you first sharpened it, I'm going to show you a couple quick tips to bring that edge back to razor sharp. We're going to use a combination stone, 6000 grit, 1000 grit. Really good combination stone for general sharpening, especially in the kitchen. And we're going to use a 6000 grit side. We soak it in the sink for a couple minutes, run water over it, and it's ready to go. We'll put it on some kind of non-slip base and drizzle a little bit of water on there to give it some lubrication, and we're ready to go. So all we need to do is reestablish our angle, which should be about 20 degrees. It's the same angle we sharpened with. And we run backwards, like so. And the reason we do that is so that, especially for beginners, if you come back the other way, it's easy to dig in if your angle's off a little bit and round the edge off. This way, it's the safest, easiest way. You do this about 20 times, 10 times, something like that, 10 to 20 times a side. You come back, you go the other way, same angle, and you do that for maybe a minute. Just be careful to do the same on both sides so that it doesn't send the blade one way or the other. And that's all you need to do. Wipe it off with a towel, and this should be ready to go, razor sharp, ready to cut whatever you need to cut.